Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one is filmed the same day as the last one, but will not be uploaded as the same for once. Today we're just gonna install some of this. This is HP LaserJet Internet Custom News Kit. From my understanding, from very little internet research, you download the software and it gets news from the internet, and then it prints it out with your LaserJet printer. These are from 1997. They are identical. I'm not sure if they've been used. We're gonna check that right now, though. Alright, so this is what they look like on the inside. Probably not used. If we take it off... Ooh, don't look at me, I'm ugly. I'm gonna look at it over the camera. Right. At minimum, they've been used once, but I don't think they've been used at all. I mean, honestly, most of this stuff hasn't been used very much. It's mostly just been moved from case to case. But why don't we pop one of these bad boys in the old workhorse over here, and we'll get right to it. All right, so we just popped it in. We're gonna see what happens. I guess I can leave these here. Pretty much got these like everything else from the tech ed teacher. I guess run setup.exe. Welp, can't run it on Windows 10. Kind of a disappointment. Thought these deserved their own video because I have another one. This is a whole year older, 1996, but not the newscast software. It's just software so you can print stuff. Beautiful font, I guess, is beautiful. This one I guess we can put into and see if it gives us a different notification, or I don't know, whatever the fuck, whatever. Before we do that, though, gotta put this away, right? Gotta take that out. And then we're just gonna look at some of this, installing the LaserJet Internet Custom News Kit software into the CD drive. It's for Windows 95 only, whereas the other one, no, also this, but for the other one, it was Windows, a bunch of different stuff and newer. And of course, that's CAD, which obviously is going to be different than, over 20 years old printer technology, just so you can run your printer. This isn't that, though. That's what this is. But this is for newscasting with AT&T. What does it say? Includes powerful internet software from AT&T, WorldNet, and Pointcast. I'm assuming AT&T WorldNet is kind of its own thing, kind of combined. But either way, haven't heard of anything here except for Netscape and AT&T. So yeah, well, we can see who lasted there. Look at that, it's got all the codes and stuff. I guess this is something some real nerds would have. Let's pop the printing software into this bad motherfucker. Now this one has obviously been used, or at least opened, as we can see from the missing front cover here and overall manual. If we pop it out here and we look at it, it doesn't look used, but I'm assuming since it's missing, it probably has been used. Let's pop it into the computer and see what happens. Alright, just popped it in. Computer's loading. I'm assuming it's going to be the same result. Can't run it on this PC. Here we go. See, now we got a different option. I guess we'll click this one. Oh. I don't know what it's exactly doing. This is just my storage settings. I guess nothing, because the other one would have just opened my Explorer files and then taken no action. So I guess that's it for the old LaserJet technology. Hoping we might have, gotten something out of it. Maybe a cool menu screen or something. Unfortunately not. I'm assuming since they still read on my Windows 10, they will work on what they're supposed to work on. I don't know if, they'll work, but I don't know if the AT&T WorldNet thing will be available or not. 100%. Not 100. 98% sure it's not available. And, yeah. 96, 97, LaserJet, HP LaserJet, literally printers. Literally printer stuff. Thought they were cool, they deserved their own video. Yeah, printers. Butthole.
Ocean Man.